I hope the camera does justice to this.
Because its reality is very different.
Oh yeah.
One world, one ride.
Good morning guys, this is Debashish and today is the second day of the ride. Everybody is getting ready. Hey Patil! Hey Patil! And we have named him Patil. Patel ka Patil ho gaya. Everybody is ready. And Reddy. Everybody is ready. Mr. Reddy. And the best part is I've paired with Freddy. तो मजा से बाबा आई लो नहीं हाँ ओके सो वी आर ऑल रेडी टू रोल फ्रेडी क्या छे तू आवी जाओ रो दादा कोथाय आशो शिगगिरी शिगगिरी चलो चलो चलो
I forgot to clean my visor, man.
अरे रहवा देने अबे हाँ दादा फ्रेडी आ गया तुम्हें
Okay.
So this was a nice stay, lovely stay.
I think one of the best places I've stayed.
Yeah, me too.
Sula should learn something.
Sula should learn something. क्यों Sula में ऐसा नहीं है क्या? I've never been there.
Yeah, but on a scale of 10, this is 9, that is 2.
क्या बात करता है?
Yeah, yeah.
अरे देख लो भाई कितना मस्त है सुला वाला अगर देखता होगा तो वो भी देख लो
Yeah, but Sula is also extremely small. It must not be even 5% of the size of this property.
हाँ तो फिर अपना इंडिया में प्रॉपर्टी महंगा है रे
I know.
हाँ तो फिर ऐसा नहीं बोलो
Just as a reminder, we are in South Africa, not Europe.
I know.
But then the setup is so much like Europe, na?
That's why I said, unless you remember,
yeah.
the climate, the roads, phenomenal.
I never expected this much out of this country, huh?
Yeah, me too. Hashtag.
For our kind of riding, which is mostly road, slightly off-road, हम लोग जब bike चलाते हैं, you can't even call it full off-road, okay?
Yeah.
There, this one scores way over the Tiger.
Break मत मार रे.
Okay. Highway riding, yes, of course. Even the balance of the bike is far better than the Tiger.
I'm telling you, I've ridden this one for one day, right? But the amount of confidence I have on the bike, controlling it, is more than the bloody Tiger after 2 years. Yeah.
बाबा बोल बाबा बोल
In terms of balance, I will agree with you absolutely. But the additional cost of owning this bike to the Tiger doesn't justify it.
ये चल ना रहवा दे मैं तो सेफ्टी अरे तू
For me, it doesn't justify it. That's what I'm saying.
हाँ ये दादा क्या बोलता है
That's fine. Yeah, Tiger का worst thing is it is top. इसको when you're
Front
standing
heavy. It's front heavy.
yeah, when you're standing still, you don't feel scared she's gonna tip over.
Yeah.
The blasted Tiger went to 2 degrees off camber and you say, oh shit, there she goes.
Okay, BMW score. Yes. घेऊन टाक चल फ्रेडी ले
I'm still not confident yet. Huh? Let it come up.
You are a slow learner.
Yes. But I believe in perfection. Slow down my turn.
अरे वन डाउन करके निकालने का बॉस
Okay.
एंड थ्रॉटल व्हेन यू आर इन द कर्व थ्रॉटल देख कितना गैप दे दिया तूने आजा फ्रेडी कभी भी आएगा ना कर्व है ना वन डाउन थ्रॉटल ले लीन मार बाइक को बिंदास लीन मार
Keep your head straight, you look at the road differently.
या
Let your body lean, head straight.
Head straight. Look where you want to go. चल ready. Catch up. अरे यार क्या खूबसूरत टाउन है यार. ओ दादा.
Township, I mean, it's
है ना?
unbelievable. Yeah.
यार ये अंग्रेज लोग इतना अच्छा इधर काम कर गए उन लोग का लंदन में भी इतना अच्छा काम नहीं किए होंगे नहीं?
No, but this is the influence of British, Dutch, and
Dutch.
and the Germans.
अरे लेकिन क्या इतना बढ़िया हो गया यार.
But also the government must have made an effort to keep it
Like that, ना?
हाँ. The way they are painted also and kept
I
up so nice.
swear, man. अरे चर्च भी कितना खूबसूरत है बाबा.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the towns and the way they're planned
हाँ,
out, the way
हाँ,
the
हाँ.
cars are parked. It's like,
And still quite clean as a city also.
Very clean, boss. Look at the roads, oh. मजा भी गया. This is so nice, na? That everybody is riding in a group and मेरे को बहुत इधर सीनिक बड़ा लग रहा है मालूम है. यहाँ पे पीछे से ना, it is looking really, really beautiful.
Group riding is important. People just don't give enough emphasis on it because when you meet with an accident, na, that is when you realize you wish you were riding in a group or with at least somebody who could have helped you. That happened the other day with one of our friends. We know. That's at least if you're riding alone, you have an app like Tracer which helps you monitor.
Yeah. That is there.
It's not only for riders; it's for anybody traveling.
see, for example, on this trip, we are being traced by Tracer, right? So we are here, but the wife in Bombay knows exactly where we are, and if anybody stops tracking, she knows. So she calls up to find out.
So tell me, जैसे कि नाव तो अपने को पूरा गांव भर देख सकता है किधर रुके न किधर नहीं. तो normally this has been designed for this ride, right?
Yes, but otherwise you have a ride which is only tracked by people within the ride or whoever you allow to track. This is an open trip.
So basically, the trips can be designated as a public, private, or open, right? So if you make it public,
तो गांव को मालूम है.
anybody who's logged on to Tracer can see you.
So now tell me one thing. Now you have made it public. The other users can make it public for their rides?
Yes. Those permissions are open. The only permissions, like, okay, fine, we are saying it's designed for this ride, right?
Yeah.
But it's a permission issue. We have given permission to general public to view this ride.
Okay.
Which you can do on your individual rides also.
Okay.
And private ride is only participants and observers you designate.
अच्छा तो मतलब अपन इंटरनेशनल राइड करेंगे तो यू विल गिव द परमिशन टू पब्लिक.
If you want to.
I hope the camera does justice to this.
Because its reality is very different.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. इतना खूबसूरत नेचर है देखो, हैं?
Unbelievable.
खूबसूरती ही खूबसूरती, वाह. हाँ ये सब अच्छा है. It is very good.
Okay, sharp bend coming up.
Check out this lovely view, curvy roads. It's a biker's paradise to ride. South Africa, I think. DJ Bhai, I'm missing you a lot. यार DJ के बगैर बड़ा अधूरा लग गया है. Let's go. What a lovely view, man. As you can see, everything was burned a few days back. It's called forest fire. This pass was closed. Luckily, the fire has been put off and we got the access to this pass. अरे इधर अभी जानवर नहीं आएंगे यार, सब तो जल जुला गया ना, जानवर ही भगे होंगे यार. अच्छा माइला क्या डांसू है बाबा. हाय 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 हाय. कितना खूबसूरत है भाई ये फ्रेडी
Yes.
Look at the sky, man. Look
I
at the
know
It looks more beautiful because it is well kept. Everything is proper as it should be. Even the road lining, tarmac, the fencing, everything is perfect.
sky. And now you understand picture perfect, right?
Yeah.
अरे देखना यार वाह पैसा वसूल છે હા
Thank you. You should tell that to KAIZAD.
હા હા કૈજાદ को बोलना मांगता है यार पैसा वसूल થઈ ગયા ભાઈ મજા આવી ગયો
Even Vipin said it is worth it.
है ना अरे इतना खूबसूरत भाई
This is an experience.
या मैन इट इज एन एक्सपीरियंस
For all those who doubted and didn't come will regret it after they see your video.
या हो
Oh, he just mounted there.
ओ तेरी ओ fuck look at this
Unreal.
अनरियल मैन अनरियल अरे इतना खूबसूरत तो हम साला अबे यार मैं इतना अच्छा खूबसूरत यूरोप लगा यूएस लगा और ये यार मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था
Left turn, left turn.
Okay.
अच्छा लेफ्ट टर्न है क्या
Now he's saying the gravel road, no?
अरे लवली चलो एंड्यूरो मोड पे डालो
Oh, this is going to be good experience.
एंड्यूरो प्रो
चल यहाँ पे निकालता हूँ देन ओवरटेक मी
So this is going to be a little fun.
फ्रेडी
Uh-huh.
ये अपना जैकेट का एक अच्छा है
क्या
ये धूल मट्टी अपने को मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कलर I can't see the road only because so much dust is there, man.
अबे ब्रेक मत मार यार.
These are the vineyards that have been harvested.
हाँ
Yeah. Remember the France?
हाँ
Vineyards harvested after harvested.
वाह रे वाह ये बहुत झकास है भाई ओए ला क्या है रे
These are Harley roads.
या हाली रोड टोटली हाली रोड Okay, the fuel price is 13.72. Okay, so we just filled in fuel and we are off. Such a beautiful place this is. Look at the beauty of this place. Just outstanding. अरे यार क्या खूबसूरत है रे टाउन
Yeah, man.
हाँ फ्रेडी
Lovely. You're pulling over for lunch. Cool. There's a petrol pump. Lunch stop, everything together.
Oh, Dada.
Oh,
Come on.
wonderful. Top of the world.
Cheers.
Yes.
और
Rooster? Rooster cook.
Roaster cooker. The cooker is plural. Roaster cook is singular.
Okay, rooster cooker.
Cooker is plural.
Okay.
It's more than one.
Rooster cook.
But just one. It's a roaster cook.
Cook.
So the two lines there is roaster cooker.
Cooker. Rooster cooker. Okay, so this is the South African dish. Chicken and feta. And coffee. Okay, what's in it? Okay, we'll finish off and then go on the right. बाकी के लोग बाहर बैठ के खा रहे हैं.
बाकी के लोगों को बाहर निकाल दिया. हम लोगों ने बोला हमने इसी में बैठेंगे.
Just finished our lunch, heading out. We still got about 250 kilometers more to go for the day. It's about 2:30 local time. The ride so far has been fabulous.
ओए ओ क्या यार उधर लैंड देख कैसा. हाय 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 हाय. क्या व्यू है भाई. अरे वाटर फ्रंट এখন ভগবান জানে হোটেলটা ওয়াটার ফ্রন্টে আছে. अरे यार अच्छा जगह दिख रहा भाई.
Lawrence is right behind, huh?
Yeah.
भाई साहब हैपनिंग प्लेस છે.
Yes.
वाह 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 वाह.
KAIZAD has scouted all these places. I didn't know. I thought it was by Sama. Huh?
अरे वाह. This is good. Okay, Freddy, how was the ride?
Fabulous.
Fantastic, right?
One of the best places to ride.
Yeah, and the view is excellent from our room. I just showed you. And now we're gonna go outside, explore. और अगर क्लोजिंग शॉट नहीं हुआ तो इसके लिए पहले ही बता दे रहा हूँ. Because we're gonna go out, enjoy
We are
yourself.
going to the pier for eating.
Yeah, and we might forget. So it is better. To all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed and make India proud. Jai Hind.
Bye.
One world, one ride.
This is the world's highest bungee jumping site, right?
216 meters.
Eh?
216 meters.